Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2019 Honda Odyssey. So we will be replacing the front brake pad for this. So this is gonna be super quick. So I did already remove the tire, that's 21 mm socket. So that's your brake pad right there. So we will be using only number 14 wrench. So we're just gonna loosen the one below. There you go. Just loosen this. Just one bolt. Then let's lift this up. Put this here. Then brake pad is exposed, so it has this. Okay. Alright. It's not bad. It's probably 40%. Yeah, so now let's remove this one. The hardware. It seems like they are the same. Yeah, they're the same. So we'll be using this Brakepad, one of the best brand. Okay. So the hardware. Let's compare it. Looks the same. Spray it. Nice. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's remove sliding pin. Clean it. Put some grease on. We're using this brake lubricant. Alright. Brakepad. So this is the inner one. So let's just compare it. This would be the inner one. It has this indicator thing. So that's the inner. So like this. Let's put some grease. put it on. Go. Nice. Then the outer one. Alright. Put some grease on the tip. Just put it on. Nice. This process is easy. Then you need to retract your caliper. That's your caliper. You need to retract that. Using this retractable brake piston. Alright, so it's been retracted. So now let's put some grease here. Here, here, oopsie. Alright. Then, now there's a grease over here. Gotta put this first. Sometimes it's gonna be hard. Oh boy, alright. That. Then just press this. Now we can put this thing on. Alright. So then don't let this go, otherwise it will pump out. Now, do like this. There you go. So the bolt in here. Let's tighten it. Just hand tight. Alright, there you go. And slide it. Perfect. Alright, so that's it. There you go. That's how you replace the front brake pad for 2019 Honda Odyssey. So if you have any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.